Good morning. Across England and Wales today, it's a cold start, frosty start as well, but a lot of sunshine for you. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, more cloud and some patchy rain. But I'll have all the details coming up.
The weather for us. Morning, Carol.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone. It's mixed fortunes once again with the weather today. If you're in Scotland and Northern Ireland, you're more likely to have skies like this. But if you're in England and Wales, there is once again a lot of sunshine. Mind you, under those clear skies by night, it's a cold and frosty start across parts of England and Wales and also across the North West Highlands. Here's where we'll see most of the sunshine today. Just one or two showers flirting with the Outer Hebrides, for example. But we still have this cloud across Northern Ireland and Scotland, and it's still producing some patchy rain and drizzle as a fairly weak affair. Yesterday's top temperature was in Rochdale in northern England. Today it's northwest England that could see 17. Yesterday it was 18. But generally we're looking at temperatures between about 8 and 13 or 14 degrees. Now into this afternoon we still will have a few showers in the north and west of Scotland. They'll be the exception rather than the rule. A lot of sunshine as well, but then we run into the cloud across much of the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but breaking in the afternoon across Northern Ireland, so you'll see some brighter spells. For England, for Wales, similar story in that we'll see a fair bit of sunshine today, some of it hazy, breeze coming in from the North Sea as well across the southeastern quarter, so feeling a wee bit cooler than yesterday. Overnight, temperature will fall away once again across England and Wales. So once again, we're looking at some frost, some patchy mist around as well. And it's the same too across the Northwest Highlands. We will have some clear skies and here the temperature will fall away. But you can see across the central swathe of Northern Ireland and Scotland, we still have this weak weather front producing some cloud and some drizzly, murky conditions. Now, as we head through the course of tomorrow, the weather front is still very much with us, but continuing to weaken. So brighter skies across northern Scotland and still dry with a fair bit of sunshine across England and Wales. Charlie and Naga.
Carol. Lately. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, Naga and Charlie. Good morning to you. For some of us, yes, it's been dry and sunny, Naga, across England and Wales, but Scotland and Northern Ireland, you've had more cloud and also some rain for the last few days, courtesy of a weather front. Still with us this morning, you can see a fair bit of cloud across Cullowen in Northern Ireland, but across England and Wales, it's a frosty start and we're seeing some sunshine, and that's the way it's going to continue through the course of today. So this is the culprit. It's been with us since Monday. It's produced a lot of rain as it came into the northwest. It's weakening as it pushes further south. And now it's really just a band of cloud and patchy light rain. But this morning, some murky conditions underneath it. To the Northwest Highlands, a cold and frosty start as well. You'll have some sunshine, just the odd shower. And for England and for Wales, it's going to be dry with a fair bit of sunshine today. Hazy at times, with a bit of a breeze coming in across the southeast from the northeast. The northeast is a chilly direction for us, so it will feel cooler for some than it did yesterday. Yesterday's top temperature was 18 Celsius in Rochdale. Today, parts of northwest England could hit 17. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still will have our weak weather front, still producing all this cloud and the odd spot of rain. Where we've got the clear skies in the northwest, and as we come south, this is where temperatures will fall away, and we're looking once again at some frost. Maybe also tonight, some patchy mist and fog around the Midlands, for example, but nothing to be worried about really, because tomorrow that's going to lift quite readily. And then once again, a lot of dry weather for England, for Wales and for northern Scotland with some sunshine. Our weak weather front slides a little bit further south, but it's continuing to weaken. So really, once again, it's just a band of cloud with the odd spot of rain brightening up later across Northern Ireland, but those temperatures just coming down a wee bit more. Now into the weekend, we finally say goodbye to this weather front. It will have been with us for a week by the time it clears off. High pressure builds in from the Atlantic. The wind direction changes to more of a northeasterly. Cold direction for us. Look at the impact it has across the whole of the British Isles. It's going to be cold. Temperatures will be lower anyway, and then factor in the wind chill. You'll really notice the difference this weekend. So on Saturday, still that wind, some wintry showers coming in at times in the east. The cloud breaking, particularly the further away you are from that wind, but only 11, but feeling colder because of the wind. Naga and Charlie.
Carol.
Good morning. For England and for Wales today, it's a cold start, but another dry day with a lot of sunshine. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, a bit more cloud and some patchy rain. I'll have all the details coming up.
night, Carol. So, you know, you're welcome at the moment.
Thank you very much, Naga. That's very nice of you. You rascal. Good morning, everybody. You know, Naga is right. There has been some sunshine around, but across England and Wales. If you've been in Scotland and Northern Ireland, you'll be asking what sunshine across many areas because it's been cloudy and wet for you. But things are going to change. We still have our weak weather front across Northern Ireland and also Scotland, producing thicker cloud and some spots of light rain. To the north of Scotland and much of England and Wales, we're starting off on a cold and frosty note, but clear skies means a fair bit of sunshine for you through the day, with just 1 or 2 showers across the north and west of Scotland. For Northern Ireland, here too we'll see it brighten up, and southwest Scotland also brighter with the chance of a shower. Now yesterday, top temperatures were 18 degrees in Rochdale. Today, northwest England could also see 17 degrees, but generally we're looking at the low teens to the mid-teens. Now this afternoon we still have a lot of sunshine across the northwest Highlands, where earlier this week it was so wet. Still the chance of an odd shower, but it's really through parts of Northern Ireland and the rest of Scotland where we run into the thicker cloud with some patchy rain, with 1 or 2 exceptions. And then for England and for Wales, a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine, but a bit of a breeze coming in from the North Sea. It's a northeasterly, so it will feel a little bit cooler if you're exposed to that. Through this evening and overnight, we still have our weak weather front, still producing this cloud and patchy rain. Behind it, some clear skies. Ahead of it, some clear skies. So there'll be frost once again. And this more or less tells you the story for the forecast for tomorrow. This weekend, much colder. Naga and Charlie.
We are warned, Carol. Thank you very much.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone. It's very mixed, Charlie. If you're trying to plan when you're going out to perhaps take your exercise today, well, we still have a weak weather front draped across Scotland and Northern Ireland. You can see from this picture in Midlothian, there's quite a bit of cloud around and some murky conditions, some fog under it. But as you come across England and Wales and the northwest Highlands, you're more likely to see skies like this. It's a cold and frosty start, but there will be a lot of sunshine around for you today. So here is our weak weather front still with us. To the north of that, the clear skies. We could also see 1 or 2 showers. To the south of it, we've got the clear skies, frosty start, but also a fair bit of sunshine and a breeze coming in from the North Sea, just knocking the edge off the temperatures as we go through the day. So we hang on to the sunshine, hazy at times. Yesterday in Rochdale and Greater Manchester, we hit the dizzy heights of 18 degrees, way above average for this stage of the year. Today we could hit 17 across northwest England, but generally we're looking at 8 in Aberdeen to 15 as we sweep down towards Plymouth. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still have our weak weather front. It still is producing some patchy light rain with the breaks across Northwest Highlands and also England and Wales. It does mean the temperature will fall away once again, low enough for a touch of frost. We could also see some patchy mist and fog forming, for example, around the Midlands, and still murky under that cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Any mist and fog, though, will lift quite readily tomorrow from England and Wales, and we're looking at a dry day with a fair bit of sunshine. Sunny skies too across the northwest Highlands. Our weather front continuing to weaken even more, so that band of cloud narrowing as it slips a little bit farther south, with even less rain on it, but temperatures also slipping a touch. We're getting down to about 13 as our maximum temperature. And as we head through the weekend and our weather front pushes away onto the near continent and high pressure builds in behind it, it is once again going to turn cold. A cold northeasterly right the way across the land. So not only will temperatures be lower, but we'll have a significant wind chill. Naga and Charlie.
Carol, you enjoy the rest of your week and that weekend as well.